Hello everybody. Let's continue Unit 8. It's story time. So if you please, I want you to open your student's book on page 70. During this lesson, we are going to listen to and follow a picture story. We are going to think about what happens next in a story. We are going also to practice managing money. Okay? So listen and point. We are going to read first, then we are going to ask some questions. Okay? Busy bee, I want to make a present. Sarah says, let's make a picture. Dina says, we need colored paper and crayons. I have 15 pounds. Let's go shopping. Okay, after reading frame 1, please ask your kids what and who they can see in the pictures by pointing at the characters and items and saying who, what is this. I want you to explain to your kid that their friend Sarah is visiting Adam and Dina. Okay? Point to frame 1 and ask, can you guess where Sarah, Dina and Busy Bee are? Excellent, they are at home. What do Sarah and Dina want to do? They want to make a picture. Excellent. Okay, let's go to page 71. Here is page 71. Okay. Dina says, how much is the colored paper, please? The shopkeeper answered, it's 5 pounds. Sarah, how much are the crayons? Okay. Shopkeeper, they are 2 pounds. Dina, 5 plus 2 is 7. Here is 7 pounds. So, after reading with our kids, we are going to ask them, can you guess where Mother, Adam, Dina, Sarah and Busy Bee are? Excellent, they are at the market. What are they doing? They are buying things. Excellent. Let's turn the page. Okay, page 72, please. Frame 3. How much is the clay, Sarah? It's 3 pounds. Do we have the money for the clay, Dina? Here we are going to ask, what are they looking at? Excellent. Paint and clay. Please turn to frame 4. Frame 4. Dina, 10 minus 7 is 3. We have 3 pounds. Here, Busy Bee is asking a question. Do they have the money for the clay? Do the girls have the money for the clay? I want you to think. Okay, my lovely kids. Here, I want you, my dear parent, to elicit the answer is yes. Explain that the children started with 15 LE. They buy paper for 5 LE and crayons for 2 LE. So they have 7 pounds remaining. This is enough to buy the clay, which costs 3 pounds or 3 LE. Okay? Let's go please to page 73. Here is page 73. Okay, look at our picture. It's a present for you, mommy. Thank you, Sarah and Dina. Okay, here I want you, after continuing reading the story with your kids, to ask, what do Sarah and Dina do? Explain that making pictures for people can be a lovely present, a very lovely present. Okay, so we can make presents. So, to sum up, we can make presents. I want you to ask your kids some questions, which are: what do the children want to do? Where do the children go? What do they buy at the market? What do the children make? How does mommy feel? And I want you to praise all the correct answers. Then you are going to ask them another questions, which are: what can you see? What do students give? When do students give presents? How do they feel if they receive presents? How do they feel if they give presents? And do they make presents for people or not? Okay, now let's turn to the activity book. I want you to open page 68. Let's go shopping, read and match. So I want you to tell your kid that he or she has to read the sentences on the left. Read the sentences on the left. Okay? Explain that they should read the sentences and match them to the pictures as in the example. Number 1, it's a present. So it's matched with letter E, which is the present. Excellent. Okay, what about number 2? It's a picture. Excellent. Number 2, we are going to match it with B. Number 3, we have 3 pounds. We have 3 pounds. So we are going to match number 3 with letter C. I have 15 pounds. Number 4, we are going to match it with D. The clay is for, I'm so sorry. We have 3 pounds, 3A. 3A, 1, 2, 3. The clay is for 3 pounds or 3LE, C. Number 5, C, okay? And here are the answers. Okay. Let's turn to page 69. Look and match. Here we are going to point to each picture and ask what is it and how much is it. Explain that they should draw a line from the item to the correct amount of money. For example, number 1, glue, it's for 2LE. So, number 1, we are going to match it with letter A, 2LE. What about the number 2? Box of crayons, it's 10 pounds or 10LE. So we are going to match it with C. Paper, it's for 5LE. So we are going to match it with B. Okay. And here are the answers. Okay. In exercise number 2, now ask and answer. How much is the glue? It's 2 pounds. It's just like a mini dialogue. You and your kid, my dear parents, can make it together. Okay? Thank you very much.